How to block ads on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block ads on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy, and after that you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just tap on account center. And now here, once you're inside the account center, you simply have to scroll down and tap on ad preferences. And now here you will see a list of advertisers that have shown ads to you. Now here you can just tap on any advertisers, and here once you are inside you can just tap on hide ads button, and once you do that, Facebook may take up to 24 hours to update your preferences, and after that you should see fewer repeated ads. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.